We've just acquired this lovely looking, it's a Mercedes E-Class Estate facelift model. It comes with the private plate. Lovely looking. It's not silver, it's a bluey silvery colour. It's got the park distance control. Electric tailgate. Boots in lovely condition. It's got the boot protector and the load cover. Really is in beautiful condition. Drives superb. Comprehensive service history, full leather interior. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd. Electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. It's got cruise control, satellite navigation. It's on 104,401 miles. It's got 3-stage heated seats as well there. It's got Bluetooth for phone and audio streaming. Climate control. USB port. Multifunction steering wheel. Auto headlights. Front and rear park distance control. I'd say it drives absolutely lovely. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.